Welcome to the installation of Yakima Skyline Towers with JetStream Bars onto a 2010 to 2013 Mazda 3 5-door model cars. The Mazda 3 have fixed points on the roof of their cars. They are sometimes hidden by plastic range strips that run the length of the roof. This rack will fit most other Mazda 3 models as well. Start by removing the plastic strip with a flathead screwdriver. The strip should pop off fairly easily. This will reveal black mounting plates with a threaded hole in the middle of them. Now refer to the landing pad 11 fit chart to determine which bolts and washers you will need to use. Start by attaching the rubber gasket around the bottom of the landing pad and placing your bolt and washer through the hole in the middle. Now line up the bolt and landing pad with the mounting point on your roof and screw the landing pad into place. Be sure not to over-tighten the bolt. Doing so will prevent the Skyline from mounting later on. All landing pads come with covers as well when you have your Skyline towers removed from your car. This will help prevent wind noise, dirt, and grime buildup. With the landing pads attached, we can move on to the towers. Open the cover by pinching the sides and pulling away from the tower. There is a bolt inside you will need to loosen to release the cover for the bolt underneath the tower. To attach the mounting hardware, first snap the plastic seat into place. Now attach the bar adapter onto the bolt and tighten it completely with the provided torque wrench until you hear it click multiple times. Next, slide the tower into the bottom slot on the bar. If there is a lot of resistance when doing this, try loosening the bolt inside the cover to get more slack in the metal bracket. You may also need to push the rubber padding out of the way to fully slide the tower on. Now attach the towers to the landing pads. Place the far end into the landing pad and adjust the other tower to fit into the corresponding landing pad. You'll also want to measure the outer portion of the bar on each side to make sure they are even. With the towers in place, press down firmly on top and completely tighten the inner bolt until you hear the wrench click over multiple times. With the towers tightened in place, remove the rack and measure and cut out the inserts for the bottom of the slots. This is pivotal to ensure no noise is generated from the bars. With the inserts installed, attach the bars back onto the landing pads and close the covers to attach the rack. Give it a shake to make sure it is secured. Now attach the end caps onto the end of the bars. Be sure the bottom tab slides on the outside of the bottom slot for a proper fit. If you purchase locks with the rack, install them by removing the plastic plug in the middle of the tower. Place the install key into your lock cylinder, line up the dimple on the end of the cylinder with the inside of the housing, insert the core and remove the install key. Then lock the core by turning it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Thanks for watching the installation of the Yakima Skyline Tower with JetStream Bars onto a 2010 to 2013 Mazda 3 5-door. If you have further questions, visit us at rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.